Hi, I'm Iylia from QMetrix. Welcome to today's episode of 2-Minute Tuesdays. In today's video, we'll review the process of rolling forward a working forecast. In the version options, the left scroll limit can usually be left untouched. This dictates the earliest period available in the version. Next, extend the end of plan if necessary. Once the version is extended, additional extension options will appear at the bottom of the screen. We can either leave all extended periods to be blank, copy the data from the final time period, for example, the final month in the base version forward, or copy the final year forward. Then, roll forward the start of the plan to the next month. In this example, this will be February 2024. And roll forward the lock leading day through to the month prior to ensure that the data is locked for historical periods in this version. Let's now roll this forward to January 2024. All other settings can be left as is. Then click Save. That's all for today's video. I hope it has been helpful in assisting with maintaining a rolling forecast. Do you need help with Workday Adaptive Planning? QMetrix provides a health check to assess and optimize your adaptive planning instance. For more information, contact us using the details provided below.